At its core, it's still a shitbox. When I got the car in the first place, the car has around 500,000 kilometers on the shell. The panels were different colors at the time. It was like that gross champagne color, and all the clear coat was peeling. The hood on the test drive actually peeled up on the highway and almost smashed the windshield, but luckily it just tacoed right here and didn't actually hit the windshield. So, you know, it was kind of a piece of crap to begin with.
Was that the first time that it ever happened to you? Let me guess.
A hood lifting up on me? Yeah, I've certainly never had that happen to me, and you know, it was pretty terrifying. So